How's it going, everybody? We are going to go over the noun pigsty. A pigsty is a expression we use to describe a very messy place. It could be your room, your apartment. Basically, if you live like a pig. So, if you live very messy, we have the word pigsty to describe a messy place. So, we're going to go over a few sentences and how we can use pigsty in conversation. So, I'm going to go ahead and start with a possessive like my. So I can say if my apartment is very, very messy, I've got dirty dishes, a messy bed, and clothes everywhere, I could say my apartment's a pigsty. So that's just to mean that it is very, very messy. Now, if I want to add emphasis to this, I can add intensifiers like absolute, or like a more descriptive word like disgusting or dirty or nasty, any of these words. So I can say my apartment's an absolute pigsty if it is just a complete and utter disgusting pigsty. I can also say, my apartment's is a nasty pigsty. So nasty, just like really, really dirty. So those are a couple of the variations you can use, and you can say, like I said, you can apply this to a bedroom, a kitchen, or a living room, anywhere that you may find messy. Now, of course, with a pigsty, you've got to clean it. So, if you want to give a statement that presents necessity or duty, you can use I need to clean for necessity, or I should clean, presenting some kind of obligation. So you can say, I need to clean up. So if you're saying it's necessary to clean up, and you can use this or that. If you're saying this, then I'm assuming you are in the place that's messy. If you use that, then I'm assuming that you are away from the place that is very messy. So let's start over again. I need to clean up this pigsty. I need to clean up this pigsty. Now, if it's an apartment, you can specify that in your sentence. So, I need to clean up this pigsty I call an apartment. Or you can say what I call a bedroom, or what I call a house. So you can use any of these things. Now, if I'm talking to you, and I think that you really need to clean your apartment, I can say, you need to clean up this pigsty you call an apartment. So if I find your apartment to be very, very messy. So yeah, you've got plenty of variations in which you can put these expressions or these sentences together to describe if somebody has a very messy place. So that is going to conclude this lesson. Pigsty, it means it means a very messy, dirty place. So as I said, that concludes everything, and thank you very much for following along.